Hey everyone, it's John Farrell from WellDatabase here with another video about WellDatabase mapping. In one of our previous videos, we dove into creating a grid map as a background layer into our maps and showed how you can kind of utilize that within your processes. Now I want to show you another use for your data layers that can help you keep an eye on a group of wells that you might want to evaluate as you're kind of wanting to explore around those wells. So let me show you what I'm talking about. It's much easier. So I still have our map up from a different video we had created, but what I wanted to do was to hone in and I'm going to just totally random grab a handful of wells. So what I will do is come into my AOI, pass myself a couple wells. So I'll choose polygon. And then I am just going to draw a random shape here. I have no idea how many wells or why I'm grabbing the wells I am. But in theory, if you were doing this, you might have an API list or you might have a shapefile that you can use as an AOI or any number of wells that are actually meaningful to you. I was just trying to get a set that we can work with. So if I take all of these wells, then I can create a data layer from this selection. And so I'll come over to my well layer here. I will convert to a data layer. I am not going to make this interactive because I just want this as a background. But under visualization now, I will keep it as well spots, but I'll choose a solid color. This will mean that all of my color by attributes, my size by, all those, they won't affect this anymore. And this is good though, because I'm using this to create kind of a halo effect around these wells so I don't lose track of them. So I'll leave them as black and I won't shape size or shape, but then I'll come down here on the settings. I'll raise the surface size to about 15, which I was sitting at 10. Those numbers are pretty arbitrary, but still 15, 15, and then on the laterals 2, I'll take it to 4. And what you'll see here, they are basically get highlighted. So now, I didn't actually name that. Let me name it. It's always helpful to keep a reference. So these are my target wells. And I will click load. And now I can come back into my filters and kind of independently reset these. And those are still highlighted. And as I zoom out, I can, like I was saying before, kind of keep an eye on where these wells are in regards to all of my other wells around them. I already have that data layer on the back. That's a grid map of the EUR situation where I'm at. And now I've got my wells highlighted and I've got all my offsets around them. So again, once I want to start exploring, I can pan zoom, I can start developing type curves, always keeping those target wells in focus so I don't lose track of where they are. So again, something quick and simple, but data layers make that easy for you in WellDatabase. If you have any questions about this or how to use data layers or any of our other mapping tools, by all means, reach out to us, welldatabase.com, and thanks for watching.